I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a spanner wrench. So depending on what you're working on, it has adapters going from 10 millimeter all the way up to 3.5 millimeter. So whatever pulleys you're working on, big or small, a cam pulley or an idler pulley, anything like that where you need to put these adapters in, the screws into the wrench itself. Now the jaws open up from 1.25 inches to 5 inches. So depending on what you're working on, you can get this in there. Here I am using it on a power steering pulley, and I got it in the pulley here, and I'm going to hold it in place while I set my ratchet up on it. So the ratchet's set up on the center nut of the pulley. Now the spanner wrench is holding the pulley still while I use the ratchet to crack the bolt free. You can either use a breaker bar or a ratchet to hold the spanner wrench, or do what I did there where I just wedged it underneath the crank pulley. So as you can see there, the spanner wrench held the pulley still while I was able to crack this bolt free. Now I'm able to pull the pulley off. So that's one application for it. So up top here, I need to take the cam pulleys free. Normally with the valve covers off, you use a wrench right here to hold the cam still while you crack it free. But if you did not take the valve covers off, what you would do is use the spanner wrench like this, and you would hook it into the pulley like this. And as you can see here, I'm using a 1/2 inch ratchet to hold the spanner wrench still, while I'm using a second ratchet to crack the bolt free. Now I'm able to pull this cam pulley off and change the seals out and stuff like that. So to go back on, you use the spanner wrench to hold it in place while you torque it down and tighten it down. So in this case, you would stick the spanner wrench in the pulley here and set your ratchet up in the opposite direction. Now you can use it to hold it still while you use your torque wrench to torque it down to that proper spec. So the spanner wrench I use here at the shop is made by OTC. If you would like to add one to your collection, I will pin an affiliate link in the comment section of this video or in the description of this video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.